Hey, have you blamed anyone? Have you criticized anyone? No? Yes? So let's discuss what is blame and what is criticism. We'll go by the definition. Blame. Blame is something when you declare a thing or a person responsible for a certain failure. That is blame. Something or someone responsible for a certain failure. When you declare that, you blame. That is a blame. Criticism. Criticism is nothing but your disapproval of something. Now, what is the difference? Remember, there is a big ideological difference in blame and criticism. We take an example here. Suppose there is a match. There is a cricket match. India versus Pakistan. The match is going on in a tough condition. Pakistan needs 12 runs in the last over, 6 balls. Okay. There is some bowler. You may take any. Jasprit Bumrah is the bowler. Okay. Jasprit Bumrah bowls 2 balls, first and second. He gives 2 sixes, 12 runs, and Pakistan wins. What will you do? If you want to blame for India's loss, you will blame it on Jasprit Bumrah because he gave 12 runs in his first 2 deliveries. He did not create any pressure. So if you want to blame, you will blame it on Jasprit Bumrah. That is a blame. But if you want to criticize, when you criticize, you start analyzing. Okay, this decision was not right to give Jasprit Bumrah the last over. Indian bowling could have been better. Indian batsmen could have set a target which was more competitive. So when you criticize, you don't blame one person or thing for your failure, but you analyze. Criticism is you are disapproving that India lost and I disapprove. India should not lose. That is my disapproval. But for that disapproval or for that failure, you are not blaming one person. You are not giving responsibility of that failure to a single person or a thing. So that is called blame. When you give a responsibility of your failure or any failure to a single person or a thing, you blame. But instead, you just say, no, I don't agree that India should lose. That is a criticism. So in life, you should always criticize and not blame. I'll tell you why. Because blame is just a perception. Okay. For me, I will blame Jasprit Bumrah. Some other person might blame some other player. For example, वो बोलेगा रोहित शर्मा ने स्टार्ट अच्छा नहीं दिया. He couldn't bat well. So India couldn't put on that target for Pakistan to chase, so it lost. So blame can be uncertain. It is just a perception. I might blame one person, other person might blame someone else. But criticism is a reality. In criticism, I'll do all the analysis. I'll criticize कि हारना नहीं चाहिए था. क्यों हारे? Then I'll do all the analysis. I'll not blame one person. I'll do मेरा fielding कैसा था, batting कैसा था, bowling कैसा था. I'll do all the analysis. That is criticism. So criticism is reality. Blame is just a perception. Blame is just a display of your inability to analyze. अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ में एनालाइज नहीं करना है ना, मुझे रीजंस फाइंड आउट नहीं करना है, तो मैं ब्लेम कर दूंगा कि भाई ये मैच हम हार गए बिकॉज बुमराह ने बुरा बॉलिंग डाला. सो आई ब्लेम हिम एंड आई विल नॉट डू एनी फर्दर एनालिसिस. मैं आगे सोचूंगा ही. ठीक. बट क्रिटिसिज्म शोज योर इंटेलेक्ट टू डू एनालिसिस एंड फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस. क्रिटिसाइज करोगे तो आप अपना बुद्धि इंटेलेक्ट दिखा रहे हो कि मैं चलो इंडिया मैच हार गया, अब मैं इसको एनालाइज करता हूँ और फिर सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढता हूँ. अगर फील्डिंग ख़राब थी तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे फील्डिंग अच्छा हो जाए. सो बाय क्रिटिसिज्म you show your intellect to analyze and find solutions, but by blame you show your inability to analyze. Moreover, क्रिटिसिज्म इज़ प्रोडक्टिव, ब्लेम इज़ कंक्लूसिव। अगर मैं क्रिटिसाइज़ करूँगा तो आगे एनालाइज करूँगा, सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढूंगा, बट अगर मैं ब्लेम करूँगा तो मैं सीधा एक कंक्लूजन पे आ जाऊँगा कि इसके वजह से ये चीज़ हो गया, हम फेल हो गए। सो ब्लेम इज़ ऑलवेज कंक्लूसिव एंड क्रिटिसिज्म इज़ ऑलवेज प्रोडक्टिव. So next time in your life, if you want to find the reason for your failures, do not blame anyone, but do criticize. Do criticize. A healthy criticism is good for progress and success. See you in my next video. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.